This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the CLA2A compressor on vocals. First, insert the CLA2A plugin directly onto your vocal track. Begin by setting the peak reduction knob to a gentle starting point, perhaps around 20. This allows for subtle compression. Ensure your gain reduction meter is active so you can visually monitor the compression as you adjust. We'll aim for a smooth, controlled vocal sound. Now, let's fine-tune the peak reduction. Slowly turn the peak reduction knob clockwise until you observe 3 to 7 decibels of gain reduction on the meter. The goal is to achieve consistent compression that tames the loudest parts of your vocal without completely flattening its natural dynamics. Listen carefully to ensure the vocal sounds more even and present in the mix. Once your compression is dialed in, it's time to adjust the output gain. Use the gain knob to bring the vocal back to its original perceived volume or even slightly louder if needed. Compression often reduces overall loudness, so this step is crucial for level matching. Make sure the vocal now sits comfortably and clearly within the context of your entire mix, without being too quiet or too loud. Finally, experiment with the compressor's mode switch. Try toggling between compress and limit to hear how each affects the vocal. Compress provides a softer, more gradual compression, while limit offers a much more aggressive, brick wall limiting effect. Always trust your ears. The best setting is the one that makes your vocals sound natural, controlled, and impactful in the mix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.